Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sarayu. Now I am going to explain chemistry subject for r25 regulation and for r22 regulation for the unit energy sources. In that we have four concepts, important concepts. Classification of fuels. It is based on origin and physical state concept. Based on origin, again it is classified into two types, natural and artificial. Natural is also known as primary fuels. For artificial, also known as secondary fuels, we get these fuels by using chemicals. Primary fuels are we get from nature based on physical state. In that there are three classifications: solid fuels, liquid fuels, gaseous fuels. Another topic, analysis of coal. It is classified into two types, proximate analysis and ultimate analysis. In proximate analysis, we use moisture content, ash content. In ultimate analysis, we use carbon and hydrogen. First, we need to understand what is a fuel. It is a substance. It is used for combustion, for burning purpose, and by using large amount of heat, we can call this process is known as fuel. Fuels like wood. Wood is a fuel. It is a substance is used to burn, is used to heat, and we get coal. Charcoal is a type of coal, and coal, kerosene, is used to burn wood items and sticks and other items. Petrol is also a fuel. It is used for vehicles and is used to burn the wood items and produce gas. These are some types of fuels we use commonly in our day-to-day life. The fuel mainly contain carbon and hydrogen. Carbon is a substance, it results like a black color, black form. Without a carbon, we use a cylinder. In cylinder, we remove carbon, so we did not get ash form. By removing carbon, we use CNG gases and it is used in vehicles. And for cooking, we remove carbon and hydrogen. During the combustion process, carbon and hydrogen play a main role, are oxidized, is reacted with oxygen is known as oxidized to form new compound like CO2, carbon dioxide, and water, H2O, with the liberation of heat energy by using heat. Fuel, it is a liquid format. When it reacts with burning, delta is used to, is symbol is used for burning, heating, and produces some products and heat. It is components we get by using fuel and oxygen together. Reacts by using heat format, we get product and some heat. Another topic is combustion. It is a process is used for heat energy, is liberated. Liberated is nothing but getting out. Liberated are nothing but producing. By using burning, heating, we get a substance. By using some excess of oxygen or air is known as combustion. For example, candle is example for combustion, burning a product, or heating. The process of heat is applied to candle, then it gets a lighting, is known as combustion. Example of combustion is candle. Classification of fuels. They are classified into two categories based on occurrence or origin of formation. These three are same, and another process is physical state. First, based on occurrence or origin or formation, this is the process classified into again two types, natural fuels or primary fuels, and it is also known as primary fuels we get from nature. Artificial fuels are also known as secondary fuels. These we get by using chemicals. It is not by nature. Another concept is coal. It is an important primary solid fuel, is used to heat or alteration of vegetable matter under some favorable conditions like burning. By burning some sticks, we get the process of conversion or alteration of vegetable matter to anthrotic or coal is known as coalification. The process of making coal is known as coalification, or metamorphism of coal. It is important method. This is the converting one form to another. Woods are converted into coal. For cooking purpose, we use woods. Wood by burning wood and applying petrol or kerosene, we can cook food. After cooking, we get coal. The process total is known as coalification or metamorphism of coal. It is important for one mark question. Short question. Solid fuels refers to various forms. It is used in many forms like solid material, and it is used by burning to release some energy like heat, producing heat and light. By using combustion process, coal we get coal, and it is used in many forms for cooking and other processes. Wood is a carbon percentage of 0 to 40. By applying 40 to 50% heat, we get peat compound. After 50 to 75%, we get a lignite form. It is a compound. After getting lignite state, it is converted into bituminous coal. After it get format as anthracite. After getting anthracite, we get coal format. Example: wood, coal, charcoal. Charcoal is a type of coal, is used for specific functions. Analysis of coal. It is analyzed or it is used in two formats: proximate analysis and ultimate analysis. By using proximate analysis, we use moisture content and ash, volatile content. After getting, we analyze by using fixed carbon compound or carbon compound. For measuring carbon, we use fixed carbon compound content state. First state is moisture content. It is the process of adding 1 gram of a powdered air dried coal. Sample is added to crucible and it is heated by using heat process from 100 to 105 degrees in an electric hot air oven for 1 hour time, and this process is of results in loss in weight, and it converts the sample to found out, and it makes the moisture content can be calculated. Loss of weight of coal. After doing this process, we will find the loss. After loss in weight of the coal by total weight of air dried before process into 100. For getting percentage, we need to calculate by multiplying 100. We get the percentage. For getting moisture of coal, we need to use this formula: loss in weight of coal after process by before process weight into 100. For calculating percentage, we need to multiply it by 100. We get in percentage state. Significance of doing moisture content process. It can affect a high percentage of moisture is undefined because it reduces the calorific value of coal. By decreasing calorific value of coal, we can increase the performance of doing the process, and moisture in coal consumes more heat for the latent heat of evaporation process. Water into vapor. Converting water into vapor is known as evaporation process. For latent heat of evaporation process, and it is heat is supplied to the coal and increases the transportation cost. For doing moisture content process, we can increase transport cost by for 7 minutes in a muffle furnace. It is a container for storing. The loss of weight is happened by finding the sample out with the temperature of volatile matter is calculated. By using this formula, loss of weight of the coal by weight of the air dried coal into 100. By multiplying 100, we can calculate the percentage of volatile content. Significance of doing this process. It is for high percentage of volatile contents, also undesirable process because large proportion of fuel on heating will distill over a vapor which escapes the unburnt. The unburnt process will be escaped by vapor process. In this process,